my friends. I am Arthur. Today, I'm explaining 3 small steps you can take for passive income. If you want to earn money even while you sleep, listen and apply. You can thank me later. 1. Dividend stocks. Buy shares of companies that regularly distribute profits. Every 3 months, cash flows into your account. A portfolio worth $100,000 yields an average of $4,000 to $5,000 per year in dividends. Use it for food, bills, or reinvestment. Set up an automatic order so that dividends buy more shares. With compound interest, your portfolio will double in 10 years. 2. Digital product sales. Ebook, online course, ready-made templates, music, photos. Produce once, sell forever. For example, write a 50-page ebook. Set a price of $10. If you sell 20 copies a month, that's $200 in passive income. Sell through Amazon, Kindle, or your own website. Use social media for advertising. Sales will continue to come in for months without any extra work. 3. Rental income. Buy a house or a shop. Rent it out. Provides regular monthly cash flow. But be careful. If you buy with a mortgage, the rental income should cover the installment. Saving for a down payment takes time, but it is one of the most solid sources of passive income in the long term. Alternative: real estate investment trusts, REITs. You buy and sell them like stocks, and they distribute regular rental income. You can start with $10,000. Don't let this number intimidate you. Think about the money it will earn you. Remember, passive income is not a dream. It requires effort. But once you set it up, it works for you for years. Take 1 step today. Write an ebook, buy a dividend stock, research a real estate fund, enjoy the show, invest. A new video will arrive in 4 days. In the comments, also let me know your content ideas and such. For detailed financial information, you can check out my channel. Enjoy the show again.